Alright, this is the new ratchet and screwdriver I just received. This is a RG from Ron's Beer Reviews and Tools, and this is a new ratchet and screwdriver from Milwaukee. I got this through Amazon. It was basically $18, but then with taxes and so forth, it came to 20 something. We did get free shipping because my wife has Prime. But it's basically a $18 tool that goes up for $20. They normally sell $21 or $22 on other sites that I've seen. But this is 7 bits come with it. And as you can see there, I'll try to get a little closer. Some of these did have the same style. I'm pretty sure they had 12. You could get 12 different bits with it. It had a number 12 up here. I didn't really read into it when I saw this one here. I picked this one here. And like I say, it has the bits like this. They're long. And so when you put them in the screwdriver, they do stick out quite a bit. You can get into a lot of places versus the ones that I had used before, which weren't ratcheted. They were manual. And like I say, 7 bits come with it, and they count this here as a loop, basically like a nut runner, I guess you could call it. This here. So it's going to do well. I've used, like I show you a little later, what I've been using to my trade. I'm an electrician by trade, and most times I worked with, as a maintenance electrician, and the 11-in-1 screwdrivers do really well, and this will do well for myself here. I like to carry just one screwdriver. It is a little bit more heavier than the normal 11-in-1 Klein. This is a bit heavier because you're carrying all those tools. I may take out the squares. These are 3 squares here. I don't tend to use those for much, so I may take those up just to loosen up and maybe put some other style bits in there. So, but anyways, hope I'm keeping it in focus here and in the center. All right, folks, we'll move on. Alright, folks, I got the screwdriver out of the package. Get a better look at it. I'm going to show you, this is the way you reverse the ratcheting mechanism. In the middle, it's locked, so you can use it as a regular screwdriver. You go to the left. That would be for loosening up screws. Taking them out. I hope this is coming out. Hope you can see it. It's legible. You go this way. Now be putting screws in. So that's 7 different bits that come with this. And I'll show you how you take them out. Basically, you just push down. Sticks out the bottom, protrudes out, take it out, pull that out. It locks in, but it comes out kind of easy. Snaps in, and you're off. Tighten the screws. We take this one here. You can see where it came out. I would go in there. There would be 6 of them in there. That'd be the 7th there. So it comes with 7, I don't know what you'd call those, screwdriver ends, or whatever. You can read this. Milwaukee size is a 3/16. So, like I say, this should be a nice addition. You'll be seeing further the screwdriver that I have been using through the years. So I got this from through Amazon. Total came to about $21, I think. It was $17.99. $18, you could say. Now these are the two Kleins that I've used, say, when I was a maintenance electrician, and this is 11-in-1, both Klein. And to my time working, I went through the two of them. This is my second one. I like these a lot. Basically, carry this here, and just a pair of lineman pliers is what I would have. A pair of lineman pliers and this here, and a jackknife. That's all I needed. And then I found this shaft isn't long enough, and I could get this one here. I found this at the electrical supply house with the longest shaft, and this became the go-to tool, and that was left behind in the toolbox, and this is what I carried, and the jackknife, and sufficed me. So that was pretty good. Now the jackknife I carried. So those three tools pretty well went in my pocket, and did what I had to do. Sometimes when jobs were bigger, I needed bigger tools, channel locks or adjustables, or bigger screwdrivers. And this takes the place, and this is a little bit better. This is ratchet style, and then it's versatile. As they said, these are Kleins. This is a Klein. You can see it. It's Klein 2. Extension. I don't know what the numbers on that. Pretty worn off. And as I said earlier, this is the 11-in-1. And these really, I really worked those a lot. When I was in the trades now, wiring out new work, new apartment building, new condos, and even old work, I needed a different set of screwdrivers, and I had a belt with a holder on with all the different kinds of tools in it. But on doing the maintenance, this kind of sufficed. But like I say, in the trades, you needed a bunch of different tools because of all the additional, I don't know what you'd call these, screwdriver ends, but it makes it a little heavier.